Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and currently I'm working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. I'm also been working as a Microsoft Fabric community super user. Today in this video, we will discuss about how you can bulk move measures into a folder. So now when we talk about how to move bulk move measure, why do we need it? So we work with Power BI reports so many times and we create so many measures. Sometimes we create measures in different table. So as a best practice, it is recommended that we should use a separate table to store the measures. So you can see we have this measure table in which we have stored all the tables. But now let's say you have 50 measures or 100 measures, and these are for like different functions. Like some is for filtering, some is for aggregating the data, some is for related to time intelligence. So if someone is working other than you, or even if you are going back to the report in future, then you will have to face so many difficulties while exploring those measures or to find out those measures. You have to like go through the list of all the measures and then you can find that. So what you can do is you can simply create some folders. Within that you can store that. So on the right side you can see I have one challenge folder, one date and time folder, one filter function folder. So the thing is how to create these folders and how to move measures into this. Earlier what we have to do is we have to move them one by one. I will show you that how we used to do that, but now in this video I will show you how you can do this at once for all the measures. So what is the earlier method? In earlier method we have to go to this model view and then we have to click on the measure whatever we want to move to the folder, and when you click on this a property pane will get appeared. Then you can you have to scroll down, you will find the display folder option. In this display folder option you have to fill the folder name. So let's say I name is as demo Anmol folder. I have to click on this enter button and you can see this demo Anmol folder has been created and these measures have been moved inside this. Now let's say I have to do this for 100 measure. So I have to click on this again, enter the folder name, then again click on the another measure. This will going to take so many time. Now I will show you how you can do this at once. So what you have to do is you have to come to TMDL view. If you are not familiar, we already have few videos related to TMDL view on what is it, how you can enable that, and how you can explore the semantic model, and many more videos. So you can go on the channel and look into those videos. So now coming back to this, let's say I have to move all these below measures to the demo Anmol folder. How I will do that? I just have to click on that using control. I have to select all these. So you can see I have selected all the measures. Next you can simply drag and drop into the blank space. So you will see one script created. You don't have to much worry about this. All you have to do is you will find out this measure name, you will find out the measure name, the formula for it, and the linear stake. Same thing you will find out for all the measures. Now to move this into the folder, what you have to do is you have to click on the tab button so that this cursor has been aligned with the linear stake ID, and then you have to enter display folder. You will see the suggestion has already displayed that we can use the display folder option. Then you have to click equals to sign. Then within the double quotes you can enter the folder name. So now let's name the new folder a demo underscore TMDL. So you can see we have entered the name of the folder. Now we can do is we can simply copy and paste this below all the measures. Below all the measures linear stack ID. So you can see I am entering, just copy and pasting. I don't have to do much work. You can also use the multi-cursor option. If you are not familiar, you can simply drop a comment. I will share you how to use the multi-cursor feature. So you can see we have added the display folder name to all the measures. Now next what we have to do is we just have to click on this apply button. And now you can see that the changes have been applied to the model. So now let's directly move to the measure table and expand that. And now you can see all the there are so many other measures which have been appearing before, but now all these measures came within the demo underscore TMDL option. So this is the way how you can move measures from the within the table to a particular folder. If you have any doubt related to the TMDL view or related to particularly this video, then you can feel free to drop it into the comment. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and share the video with your colleagues or with your mates who are also learning new things in Power BI. Also, do subscribe Addend Analytics channel for more such insightful videos. Thank you so much.